Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to get back on this T-bucket thing here. I got the frame clamped down, nice level, square. We're going to build a grill shell and a grill for this thing today. I think it'll, again, add to the aesthetics of it, make it look cool. So we'll go ahead and get some tubing cut up and stuff. I have laying around some 1x1x8 overkill 100%, but that's what I have, that's what I'm using. So I want to kind of keep this camshaft exposed, the bumper, if you will. I think I'm going to step the grill back just a scooch and put it on. Obviously we'll still have a lot of room for the engine. The body's just sitting here, it's actually a little far forward, but we'll get this grill shell built. I have some perf stainless scrap piece laying around from an old lid from a parts washer. I'm going to take that, cut that out. That'll make the centerpiece of the grill. So let's quit jabbing here and we'll get busy. So what I decided is I'm going to do a 10-inch rise. You can't probably see it. I got these marked. I got 45s on each piece. So that'll lay down. You'll have the angle and then a flat top, so it'll be like a traditional T-bucket style grill shell. So let's get cutting and see how this thing fits.
Let's go to work.
Yeah, they match, so that's a plus, right? We do have a little bit of overhang. I don't care. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. I'm gonna have a tube across here anyway. And the metal that I'm gonna put on it is gonna overlay the edge. So, and I'm actually gonna trim it with round bar. So it'll cover this up, the best way to say it. So I think what I'm going to do is go like 1.5 inches, which will hit right on the backside of center of the cam bumper thing. So I think that'll work fine for what we're doing, trying to achieve. I'll have to hold them up and eyeball them, and then we'll level everything and square it up and measure our top piece and do the center of the metal. I'm gonna give her my stainless, measure it out. We're gonna go 11 wide, 10.5 tall, and then I'll get it cut. Then I'll do my round bar for the trim, and that'll wrap this thing up. We could get real fancy and put some aluminum, cut a couple pieces and put around. It'd be kind of neat too. I think the round bar is the ticket though. Gonna set it up here in the edge, tack it, run it around. I think that'll work. Put a couple nicks in these things just to make it easier to bend when I'm going around it. Yeah. Now you can see a little pre-bend action. All right, let's tack this thing up. Oh, well, that's all right. We got more. So put a little something extra there, is looking at it. Took a couple old junk 5/16 wrenches and threw on there. I'll find me something to make a skull out of. But so there we are. I think proportionate. It looks really cool. I'll spin the table a little bit. I think it's got kind of like a Big Daddy Ed Roth style, like the old Rat Fink drawings. Just need a huge shifter up here. But I think that's going to work. Still got plenty of room for the engine setup that I want to do. So that's where we're at. I think it come out pretty cool so far. Make sure to check the channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the like button on this video. Share this with a friend. It really helps the channel. This is a small channel. I'm trying to grow it up a little bit bigger, do a lot more cool stuff like this, show you guys a lot more in detail and depth and whatever if I can. But it really will help the channel out. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you guys next week.
Come on, baby. Whoa, stop.